think they laced my drink.
You know, you play that old friend card a lot.
Well, now that's the card I was dealt.
I just don't think Ava wants to hear what I think of her psychic.
Well, then forget about Ava. Go right to the psychic.
Meaning what?
Well, there's a law in this state about crystal balls. So you can just go to her and send her right back to the carny funk. That's where she belongs.
Okay, Scotty, you realize this could backfire, right? It could end up hurting Ava instead of helping her. Maybe she's getting some closure or comfort out of what the psychic has to offer.
Well, hold on. Got a call coming.
Wait a minute, I didn't agree to anything yet.
Well, you look at it this way. She is one of your constituents, right? Hello? Yeah.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Why? I couldn't get a hold of him. That's it, okay? We agreed that Jason Morgan would be in that chair. Instead, you delivered me a child. Look, this is what we got. This is what we're working with, okay? I can't go back. The cops will be all over me. Do you understand? Then I'll take my leave. No one ever abandons me.